Today, I'm with Michael Miley, drummer from Rival Sons, largely regarded as one of the greatest rock drummers on planet Earth. So excited to dive into the story with him of his drumming, and I want to dig into what makes someone an outlier, because you're going to be able to take principles of what makes him one of the world's greatest drummers and apply it to whatever you're doing. That's about the first 45 minutes of the episode. Then, if you want to cut just to the faith stuff, we go into his amazing journey of faith and how he went from a Gnostic to a Krishna to a Christian. And then we land the plane on how all that ties with drumming makes him an even better drummer, and how he witnesses and shares his faith while touring with Black Sabbath, Guns N' Roses, and on a bus with a bunch of dudes who are rock and rollers. Whew! So much fitting into today's episode. It's going to blow your mind. Really excited to share it with you guys. But you know what? Before we dive into anything else, we'll just give you a minute of Michael Miley's drumming.